I'm Ty Knudsen. I'm a third year at the University of Iowa, studying political science, enterprise leadership, risk management, and insurance with a state certification in coaching, and I'm from Milton, Wisconsin.
I chose to come to the University of Iowa because I'm from a smaller town in Wisconsin. And when I came to campus and visited, I really noticed how connected the community was with the university. And that was something that I enjoyed. It kind of makes it feel so much more like where I'm from. So being 3+ hours away, it doesn't feel like it because of that. I chose to do enterprise leadership instead of just a general business degree because you can look into more areas of your interest.
Now I'm heading into Introduction to Social Media, where we're going to learn about things that social media has to do with people.
I would say that my favorite thing about the university is just the size. It is still a big school, and it's still a top research school. You have everything that all Big Ten campuses have, but it feels so much smaller once you build your network and your community here on campus. I don't think that there's a time that I can walk anywhere on campus and not know at least 5 people, so that's one of my favorite things about being here.
Now I'm heading into Tippy for professional business communications.
My last class of the day is business consulting online. In that class, I'm working with a company in Africa, a transportation company in Africa, where we're trying to build their social media image so that people know who they are, what they're doing. My favorite thing about the Enterprise Leadership Program is just how much knowledge that the professors have. They're all coming from a space where they're still working professionally, and so they still have those connections and have like hands-on experience, and they're not just academics. And so the best part is that they want to help, they want to get you in their network, they want to put you with people to see you succeed.
I am Professor Amy Parker. I am a lecturer in writing at the Magid Center for Undergraduate Writing, and I teach writing for business. So one kind of wonderful thing about the Magid Center and the Writing Certificate is it does offer opportunities for non-majors to kind of build skill sets in writing. I mean, writing is a foundational kind of practice. And so we've developed this course over a number of years that offers kind of an opportunity to not just create documents that you need when you're entering the professional world, right? So we do work on resumes, cover letters, how do you send a professional email? But the course also takes us into deeper questions around self-presentation, how do you advocate for yourself, conflict negotiation, just kind of basic communication skills that are really valuable in any professional environment. I really love this course draws enterprise leadership majors because they come in and have kind of ideas and approaches that they want to develop, and so it's fun to kind of bring in some of the basic foundational writing tools that they can use to then kind of enhance and develop and sell their ideas, and really help students kind of showcase what they already have.
Now I'm heading into work at the financial aid office, where I'm going to meet with students and talk about some difficult financial choices.
I think for anyone coming into Tippy or just the enterprise leadership major, I would definitely say use those connections that the professors have. They want you to be uber successful. Just talk with them, build your network, and definitely use LinkedIn.
Now I'm done with work, so I'm going to head home for the rest of the evening. Thanks for spending the day with me. Go Hawks.